Living alone as a wife brought feelings I didn't expect. The loneliness, guilt, the pressure to meet invisible standards. I started doubting myself. Was I strong enough? Was I even doing this right? Oh, kanama ejiga abadi. Some days I feel like a failure because society tells us that a wife is not meant to be alone. But I realized one thing: doubt is just a voice, it's not the truth. Doubt is that voice telling you you know reach. Only way to silence this voice is to move forward. I'm with my Bible, so let's check Philippians chapter 4 verses and hear what the Bible told us about being conscious of whatever that will dwell in. Philippians 4 chapter 8 said, in conclusion, my friends, fill your mind with those things that are good and deserves praise, things that are true, noble, right, pure, lovely, and honorable. These are the things God commanded us to think about, because how the devil fight us is through our mind. He'll first of all come to your mind when he strangles you, when he brings you down to a particular state where you, in fact, your future self will be asking you what is happening. If you give him that chance, if you dwell in that doubt, that self doubt, it's going to make a mess of you. So the Bible is telling us that we should dwell in everything good, everything nice, everything lovely. When doubts creep in, I remind myself that small tasks like washing clothes can be healing. They pull me back to the present, grounding me in action rather than overthinking. It's funny how doing things so simple feels so therapeutic, like I'm washing away the noise in my head along with the dirt from these clothes. Okunafu. And this thing, the fall therapeutic. When my space is chaotic, my mind feels chaotic too. So I clean not just the house, but the mental clutter that comes with doubt. I used to think cleaning was just another chore, but now I see it as a form of self respect. A clean space reminds me I'm capable of creating peace, even in small ways. Okwa an adage gwara anyị na cleanliness is next to godliness. Packing to travel feels like hitting reset. Doubt loses power when I change my perspective, physically or emotionally. Traveling home is my favorite thing to do, as I will have people to chat, pray, and gist with. Sometimes we just need to step away to see how far we've come. So I'm packing my bag and I'm taking peace with me. If you're feeling overwhelmed, know this: you are enough. Doubt fades when you show up for yourself. Love yourself and bear it in mind that doubt is a tool for self destruction. So don't give in. Constant affirmations like you are enough right where you are. That's all that matters. If this video touched you in any way, if you have ever struggled with doubt or felt alone, know that you're not alone. Small steps matter. Rome wasn't built in a day. Remember, doubt doesn't mean you're failing, it means you're human. Let me know in the comments how you overcame doubt in your life, and don't forget to hit the like button. If you find this video enjoyable, subscribe and join me as we continue growing, healing, and finding joy one day at a time. See you in my next video. Bye.